Sana may mga lugar pa ring puwedeng tambayan. Yung makakakita ako ng mga katulad ko o kahit iba pa sa'kin. Yung pakiramdam ng isang community na puwede kang makipagkilala, tapos puwede mo makilala ang sarili.
Tayo!
Ganito pala rito sa Madasalin.
Naisip ko, what if I organize a flea market na hindi lang siya flea market, it's a third space, it's a gathering for like-minded individuals. Tapos, there will be other stuff like open mic or DJ or something. Pero for now, yung ginawa namin is open mic muna and live performances. So yun po, that's why I decided to form the community night market. Not just para lang makabenta, but more so kasi I wanted a space for people to gather and to mingle.
As per your business owners, yung mga spaces katulad nito, no, mga pop-ups, mga flea markets, becomes an avenue for us to also express ourselves, to be true to ourselves, and to connect with other people.
I feel like, lalo na sa Kilusan, kung saan kami nang gagaling, right, is like, ang kahalagaan ng third spaces is a place for us to like organize, then for people to gain broader social awareness, but also just for the general enjoyment of yung masses, no? The fact na isa siyang like publicly accessible space, parang isa siyang neutral ground where you're not so beholden to yung parang sistema ng kapitalismo na oo naman, like people do commerce, people like sell their merch, pero wala siya sa parang corporate and capitalist indoctrination ng bansa natin. Kasi what are all the other third spaces na meron tayo sa Pinas? It's always like malls, it's always like I think like recently nagkausapan tungkol sa like BGC being a third space daw, and how it can't be a third space because of how restrictive it is towards other people entering that space, no?
Siguro personal din siya sa like upbringing ko rin, since like nalayo ako sa connection sa family ko, and like yun yung parang sinisik ko pag nung lumaki ako. So like parang yun na yung cope ko na makapag-form ng connection sa ibang tao, aside sa mga relatives, ganun, or aside sa mga ka-work or ka-schoolmate, ganun, na ganitong space na may makakamit ka ng mga iba-ibang tao na may iba-iba ring struggles, 'di ba?
Tapos parang hindi ka nalalayo sa like and parang mas napapalapit ka sa collective consciousness ng lugar kung saan ka you're existing, no? Na parang like kahit hindi mo nakakausap lahat ng tao, nagigets mo na parang like a lot of the people that occupy like a third space are there because naghanap sila ng social interaction, whether it be like to talk to other people or to meet with friends, no? There's a cultural significance to these public spaces that deserves more understanding, no? And also especially deserves not to be gatekept. The more accessible a space is for people to exist and express themselves in, or just exist, like interact with other people inside a space, kahit papano, mas mabubuti yung parang mental state ng mga tao na nandoon, no? In essence, ayun nga, the importance of a third space is that it's public, that it's accessible to all. Within our context sa Philippines, there's been, lalo na sa Manila, mas umuunti na talaga yung mga third spaces natin dito due to gentrification, due to the lack of public transit. People's ability to go places is hindered, and therefore their social interactions are also hindered, no? Make more accepting and publicly available third spaces.
Safe spaces.
Ayun.
Saan tayo? Siyempre sa mga espasyong ligtas at mapagpalaya.